Welcome back to Bugs, Buzz, and Beyond. Today, we're diving into the shimmering world of one of nature's most delicate and dazzling creatures, the common blue damselfly. These tiny winged jewels can be found dancing along the water's edge, bringing beauty and balance to their ecosystems. And stick around, because at the end of this video, we'll test your newfound knowledge with some fun trivia questions. Are you ready? Let's get buzzing! The common blue damselfly, scientifically known as Enalagma cyathegerum, is a tiny yet captivating insect that belongs to the Odonata order, just like dragonflies. These little marvels are widespread across Europe, Asia, and parts of North America, often found near lakes, ponds, rivers, and even slow-moving streams. Their slender, vibrant blue bodies are like streaks of sky reflected in the water, making them one of the most recognized damselflies. Males typically display a brighter electric blue color, while females come in shades of green or a more muted blue. Despite their delicate appearance, they are efficient hunters and play a crucial role in their aquatic ecosystems by controlling insect populations such as mosquitoes and midges. The common blue damselfly has an intriguing life cycle that revolves around water. Females lay eggs on submerged plants or directly in the water. These eggs hatch into aquatic nymphs, which spend up to 2 years underwater, hunting for prey and growing steadily. When the time is right, they crawl out of the water, shed their nymphal skin, and emerge as stunning adults. As adults, damselflies live for just a few weeks, but during this brief period, they engage in dazzling aerial displays and delicate courtship rituals. If you've ever seen one flitting near the water, you've probably witnessed its elegant, fluttering flight. Less powerful than a dragonfly, but just as mesmerizing. Damselflies may look fragile, but they're equipped with incredible adaptations that help them thrive in their environments. For example, their large, compound eyes give them nearly 360-degree vision, allowing them to spot prey and predators with ease. Each eye is made up of thousands of tiny lenses, making them excellent hunters in both their nymph and adult stages. Another fascinating feature is their ability to hover and make sharp turns mid-flight. This precision allows them to snatch smaller insects like mosquitoes right out of the air, often mid-hover. Their delicate, lace-like wings might look fragile, but they're surprisingly strong and efficient, allowing damselflies to be nimble flyers. These adaptations, paired with their striking coloration, make them one of nature's most captivating aerial acrobats. Damselflies are more than just pretty faces. They're vital players in their ecosystems. As predators, they help maintain a healthy balance in insect populations. Their aquatic nymphs are also important prey for fish, amphibians, and even birds. In turn, adult damselflies become a tasty treat for larger predators like spiders and birds. Because they are so sensitive to water quality, the presence of damselflies often signals a healthy ecosystem. If you see them hovering by a pond or river, it's a sign that the water is clean and thriving with life. Now, it's time to see how much you've learned from today's episode. We've got 3 fun trivia questions coming up. Ready? Let's start. Question number 1. What is the primary difference between a damselfly and a dragonfly? The correct answer is B. Damselflies hold their wings closed when resting, while dragonflies keep theirs open. While both damselflies and dragonflies belong to the same insect order, Odonata, their wing posture is a key difference. Damselflies are slender and rest with their wings folded along their bodies, giving them a sleek appearance. Dragonflies, on the other hand, have more robust bodies and keep their wings open even when perched. This distinction is one of the easiest ways to tell these graceful insects apart in the wild. Additionally, dragonflies tend to have stronger, faster flight patterns, whereas damselflies have a gentler, more fluttering flight. Question number 2. How long can a common blue damselfly nymph stay underwater before becoming an adult? The correct answer is C. Up to 2 years. The underwater nymph stage is the longest part of a damselfly's life cycle. Unlike their delicate adult form, damselfly nymphs are ferocious aquatic hunters, feeding on tiny aquatic insects, mosquito larvae, and even small tadpoles. They use extendable jaws to grab their prey in a lightning-fast strike. This phase can last for several months to 2 years, depending on environmental factors like temperature and food availability. The warmer and more food-rich the water, the faster they develop. But when the conditions aren't right, nymphs can delay their transformation, ensuring they emerge at the best possible time. This makes them highly adaptable and resilient despite their short adult lifespan. Question number 3. What does the presence of common blue damselflies indicate about an ecosystem? The correct answer is B. It has clean and healthy water. Common blue damselflies are considered bioindicators, meaning they provide clues about the health of their environment. Because their nymphs live in water for up to 2 years, they are highly sensitive to pollution. When water sources become contaminated with chemicals, heavy metals, or excessive nutrients that cause algae blooms, damselfly populations decline or disappear altogether. A thriving population of damselflies usually means the water is oxygen-rich, free from harmful pollutants, and home to a variety of aquatic life. If you ever want to check the quality of a pond or stream, look for these tiny blue acrobats. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.